Hey guys, CQHD here, and finally, after all the rumours and the leaks, Samsung has finally unveiled the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Ultra at the Galaxy Unpacked event. Here's a little bit of the event.
Introducing Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more.
Now let's get down to the unboxing. Honestly, that's all you get. No charger, thanks Apple, and also no earbuds, again, thanks Apple. Let's get down into the device. 6.8 inches, and with a few different colours. I've got here the Phantom Black, and there's others like this. You've got Phantom Silver and some exclusives like Phantom Titanium, Phantom Navy, and finally Phantom Brown, only available on the Samsung website. Now this is the same across the entire lineup, including the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. This year with the Snapdragon 888 processor, which is actually a beast for mobile gamers, paired with 12 to 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage going up to 512, but unfortunately no extendable storage. 5000 mAh battery, which will get you throughout the day, and a 4-camera layout on the back. And yes, there is the S Pen. The video on the S21 Ultra is actually truly amazing, with the adaptive refresh rate from 60 Hz to 120 Hz. And there's also Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for gaming. Now let's get onto the S Pen. Now some of you might be thinking, the S21 Ultra and the S Pen. Well yes, it's just not for the Note series anymore. So here is the S Pen, which is the same feel as the regular S Pen, but the difference here is the actual size. The S Pen alone costs £34 in the UK. That's just without the actual case to put the S Pen into. Now if you want somewhere to put the S Pen, that's actually going to cost the average consumer around £58 to £59 in the UK. It's a silicone case which is soft in the hand and all around just another accessory of the S21 Ultra. Now some of you might be thinking, can I use the S Pen with the S21, the regular one? And that's a big fat no. It's only available on the Galaxy S21 Ultra due to the actual screen that they've put on the Ultra. Closing off this video, you can get the new Galaxy Buds Pro, a Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag, 10% off any of Samsung's products, and 4 free months of YouTube Premium when you pre-order the Galaxy S21 Ultra at the time of recording. Now, thank you guys for watching, and please leave a like or comment on what your thoughts are about the S21 Ultra, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.